In this video, we'll show you how to register for a PSI account in order to sign up for your FAA written test. First thing is Google, just type in FAA PSI exams and click the first link. That'll direct you to faa.psiexams.com/FAA/login. Once you're here, we'll create the account. Put in your FAA tracking number, your FTN, which you obtained from the IACRA website. First name, put in your first and last name, and click continue. Once your eligibility has been verified, go ahead and click the agree button and type in the information below. We'll use the same exact information that we used in our IACRA how-to guide. Once you've inputted your username and passwords, go ahead and click continue. And in here, you must have a two-step multi-factor authentication. So go ahead and follow one of the examples, and then you'll be able to log in. Once you've done the two-part authentication, you'll come to this screen where it'll say to do an email verification. We highly recommend you do this just in case you lose your email in the future, which you most likely will. For now, we'll go ahead and say skip this step. Again, highly recommend that you do the email recovery portion. In here, we'll verify our information. We'll select our city, state, and phone number. At the very bottom, it says, are you an active U.S. military member, dependent of a U.S. military member, U.S. service military, or DoD civilian? You must click yes. This will allow you to take free exams on any Air Force installation that offers them. For this example, we'll do active duty and hit register. Then you'll be directed to this page. And here, this is where we're going to select the correct test that we want to take. For this example, we'll search for the general AMP test. So if we just type in general, we can see that it's located here, Aviation Maintenance Technician General, AMG. You'll do the exact same thing. Type in power plant for the power plant course. Type in airframe for the airframe course. We'll hit select. And we'll hit I have authorization. As long as you have your 8610-2s or your certificate of eligibility. On this page, you'll be shown a few screens. The first one shows that this is our first attempt at the test. In this category, schooler experience, because we have military experience, we'll click other. And in the drop-down box, we'll put either 8610-2s, if you got them signed by the FAA FSDO, or your military certificate of eligibility if you did the CCEF virtual route. For this example, we'll type in the military certificate of eligibility and click continue. On this next page, it asks if you need ADA for disabilities. Since we are all military, we do not need this, so no accommodation needed. Click continue. This final page is where you schedule your actual exam. In order to search for our facility, we'll click the United States, put in the postal code for the Air Force Base, distance 50, and you're going to put the date that you're going to take the exam. For this example, we'll do the 28th through the 3rd, and we'll hit search. And this lists out all the testing facilities in the Tucson area. Currently, because we don't have any tests available, the only two that are showing are Innovation Mines in Tucson, downtown Tucson, and the Army Air National Guard. When we do have the testing block opened and ready to go, you will see the testing center 755 AMXS. And you will click the time slot associated with it and hit schedule.